How to check deleted search history on Instagram. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Select Account Center. Tap on Your Information and Permissions. Go to Download Your Information. Choose Download or Transfer Information. Select your Instagram account, then tap on Next. Click on some of your information, then scroll down and select Recent Searches. Then tap on Next. Tap on Download to Device. Now select the date range, format, and media quality. Then tap on Create File. It might take some time to download. After the download is completed, open the file and you can view your deleted search history. And that's it.